Welcome to the PikuseruConsole podcast. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of game development with a focus on PikuseruConsole, which might just be a hidden gem in the realm of fantasy engines. So what is the PikuseruConsole? Well, it's an innovative tool that allows creators to develop games and applications with a default resolution of 128 by 128 pixels. This console boasts a vibrant color palette that can seamlessly blend classic 8-bit aesthetics with modern 32-bit color. But what truly sets it apart is the concept of a cartridge, essentially a text file that includes everything from code to graphics and sounds. Imagine the nostalgia of classic gaming cartridges, but with a modern twist. Now let's break down a few standout features. First, there's the display. The console typically uses an 8-bit color scheme with predefined palettes reminiscent of iconic systems like the Commodore and Atari, a delightful throwback for retro gaming fans. But it doesn't stop there. You can delve into 32-bit color directly through its API, adding layers of depth and vibrancy to your creations. Speaking of versatility, it's impressive that the console supports multiple programming languages, including Lua, Python, and even WebAssembly. It's like having a toolbox that can adapt to whatever you need. Imagine hopping from one language to another, empowering you as a developer to choose the best tool for each specific task. And if you're into sound, you'll love the audio capabilities. 8 channels of sound with tracker and FM synthesis. This means you can create rich auditory experiences that complement your games beautifully. Now, I know what you may be thinking. What about limitations? While Pikuseru is compatible with Pico 8, there are some differences, especially concerning language syntax. But hey, that's just a little learning curve, right? For anyone transitioning from Pico 8, it might even feel like a breath of fresh air. As we explore the creative possibilities, think about this. If you could design your own dream game using Pikuseru, what would it look and sound like? Picture your favorite childhood games mixed with your unique ideas. Before we wrap up, let's highlight one key takeaway. PikuseruConsole is not just about nostalgia. It's a gateway for both new and seasoned developers to bring their creative visions to life in a community thriving on innovation and collaboration. All right, that's it for today's episode. Whether you're a professional developer or just curious about game design, dive into Pikuseru and start creating. Remember, the world of game development is at your fingertips, so why not make magic happen? Until next time, keep those creative juices flowing and game on.